Hey, welcome to another Kanoa Quick Tips video. We are over in the office today because we are going to be answering the questions, how do I manually add downtime into the system, and how do I change downtimes after the fact. So we're going to do a little bit of a live demo here and show you how to do that in the application.
All right, so let's go ahead and change up some downtimes. A couple of things that you're going to need to do first. First, make sure that you are logged into the system. You need to be a logged in user with the right credentials to edit any types of downtimes. So here I am on our main page, and I need to get into a specific line. So I'll click Fix Line 1. I'm going to click on Manual Entry. And here we can see a section for downtime and states. And we don't have any downtimes for this run, so I'm going to switch to looking at the past 24 hours of data. So when I'm looking at this, we see quite a few downtimes. You can see us switching between this running state and bad color or mechanical or quality hold faults. So we have a couple of downtimes, and there's a couple of ways that we can go in there and change this in the system. So the most basic is to select a downtime, click on the edit button here, and simply to recode it. So we said that this was a bad color. That was the signal that we got from the machine. To change that, I'm going to click into it. I'm just going to pick another type of fault that we have. Maybe this wasn't a bad color quality fault. Maybe it was a quality hold. I will make that change. I will do a comment on it, update that. And now you will see that we have my comment stored. We have a checkbox showing that this downtime has been overridden and the state itself has changed. So that's not the only way that we can change downtimes, though. Let's add a completely new downtime in. So if we maybe didn't capture a certain state, or if you just for some reason manually need to overrun a longer period of time, you can click on the Add button here, and you'll get a little display bar here to help you. This is showing the time frame currently set in the window that you opened this from, which is the past 24 hours. So I'm just going to pick a couple of times in here. We will say this lasted for an hour at around midnight, and you'll see we're kind of giving you a visual indicator up here as far as where this is going to fall in your overall timeline. It's black right now as we don't have a state selected, but if I come in here and change this to say a motor relay overload, it's going to switch to the appropriate color for that specific code. I will again write in a comment and save that as well. We're going to give you a warning here that there's actually multiple states in the background that are going to get overridden, and we want to just make sure that you're confident that you are in this change before you go ahead and make it. So I am going to hit OK, and we'll have gone through. You can see our video demo here and our motor relay overload. One other thing that I'll mention that you can do with these downtimes is you can split them. So say that we did detect a certain downtime or a state, but you want to change the timing of that. You can always click into one of these, say this running state for 204 minutes, and I can split that. So maybe I can say for the first 68 minutes of that time, we were actually not in a running state, and now I can go in and edit this and say something like, not enough personnel was holding us back from being able to start the line. There you go. And that's a quick summary of a bunch of the ways that you can go ahead and change downtimes in Kanoa Ops.
So that's all there is to it. It's pretty easy to go ahead and change downtimes as you need to using Kanoa Ops. So thanks for watching today's video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more great quick tips like this. And thank you again for watching.